What's up, everybody? My name's Tyler. This is my channel, Coyote ZR2, basically showing off the brand new 2024 ZR2 I just bought, Colorado ZR2 I just bought. This channel will basically just be dedicated to installs, mods, useful information, and also vlog kind of stuff and adventures that go on with it at some point. So today I got a cool dash accessory mount. That's the most budget-friendly option I've seen so far. Found it from a guy on Etsy. His name's David. Over at Black Kraken Design is his name on Etsy. You can also find him if you just type in Chevy Colorado accessory mount. But yeah, it's the most. He actually sent this out to me for this video purpose. So in a way, he's sponsoring this video. So I'm gonna get to an unboxing, and then we'll show you the install, and then I'll show some B-roll what it looks like inside the truck. And if you're new to the channel and you want more of this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments. If you like and subscribe, helps a lot. I'm trying to build this platform up. If you subscribe, also like in the comment. I reply to everybody. If there's something you want to see with the truck, let me know. I can make a short video of it or even a full-length video on it, depending what it is. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing, and then I'll show inside the truck what this thing looks like. All right, let's do a little unboxing of what we get in the box. So first, a little thank you card for your order. I did not order this. He's kind of sponsoring this video because he sent me this project out for free. That's pretty cool. That is the name though, Black Kraken Designs on Etsy. I think guy's name is David. Little instruction manual. And then inside the box is your dash accessory mount. So this thing sits behind the informant system where the little cubby is, and most people put their sunglasses at. But this allows you to still put your sunglasses there. You can move this left or right, and right here you can get a little ball ramp with a T-slide in there, and you can mount any RAM mounts to it. So you could have like a phone, GPS, all that good stuff, which I have a bunch of RAM mount accessory already. But this was, if you buy one, it's like $50, and I think there's usually a discount code for 10% off. It's the most budget-friendly option I've seen, and it's the easiest to install. You literally just have to undo these pieces of tape, sticky side tape, and pop it right in there, and you're done. So let's get inside the truck, and I'll show you that. I'll show you what it looks like inside, and we'll go from there. All right, here we are inside my ZR2. So basically, that compartment, like everybody knows, it's right behind this informant system right here. I'll get a video of that, just snip it in there. But this essentially just sits right there like that. That's all it is. So I'll kind of show that. I'll show what it looks like when it's all put together. All right, so for starters, I'm going to loosen these two screws. Don't undo them all the way. Just loosen them up, and you can slide this over because I want this to be about there, so I can have my phone mount on the left driver's side. Screw that in all the way. Then you need, I believe this is a 1/2 inch ball mount. Ram track ball with T-bolt attachment B size if you're in the market for one of those. And that's all this is. This little ball mount with a T-slot in there. Hold that, unscrew this slightly. That just gets slid right in there. And you just screw the ball mount until it gets tight. And then, like for me, I have this ram mount here. I will just stub that over. I'll show you when it's on in the thing. So you just undo the sticky tape, press it in there, take your ball mount, ram mount, stick it on that, put it the right way, stick it on that, just the top a little bit, loosen it up. And there you have it. I mean, essentially, so now that I like what it looks like, I'll undo sticky tape here, double-sided sticky tape, double-sided sticky tape here. You can undo the bottom. Bottom's also double-sided sticky tape. It's a little tricky. I think I'll just do without it for now, just to see how this holds up. And you essentially just push straight down, and there you have it. And I can put my sunglasses there, and have my phone here above my informant system, and it's good to go. But yeah, I think this is a great budget-friendly option for what what the other ones try to serve. It's essentially just a phone mount. If that's what you're looking for, is a phone mount. The ZR2 Colorados really lack a lot of storage up here. All I have is glove compartment storage, center console storage. I don't have the wireless charger, so I can put stuff here. And then the cubbies on the side are very limited. But this is a great budget option. We'll see how this holds up, like with shakiness and stuff, as I drive it and when I take it off road, see how that goes. But yeah, if you're in the market, I'll leave the description below, or link in the description below where you can find one. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And there we go, guys. Easy, quick install, budget-friendly dash accessory mount. Find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the video. This is my 3rd gen Colorado ZR2 2024. I'll make a video later describing what I paid for it, the process of that, how I found it, how I got it. And then I have a couple other more videos coming in, or different install videos. But yeah, if you like this video, want to see more of it, please like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. Makes me feel like I'm doing something productive with the truck. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.